Hi, I'm Coach Amber G, and I love to eat. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite snacks. Let's go. So for the first snack, you'll need a packet of ranch dip mix and one Greek yogurt, okay? Just this small, I believe it's about 5-ounce container will work for this. And once you get your yogurt open, you're going to take 1.5 teaspoons of the ranch mix and put it into the yogurt. We're going to be making our own Greek yogurt dip. So go ahead and add in your ranch dip mix and mix it up. And then once you have it thoroughly mixed, you can enjoy it with your favorite vegetables. I love to eat the little baby carrots and broccoli. It reminds me of when I was a kid at the church banquets. You know what I'm talking about. And I think it's so yummy and fulfilling as a quick and easy snack. Next, I wanted to share with you another one of my favorites. It is the Popcorner sweet and salty kettle popcorn. Oh my goodness. It is so good. And what I've realized with this is I can get a little carried away. So I like to look at the back and see how many servings are in the container. And it says there's about 7 servings. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and portion out 7 equal servings. If you want to get technical, you could get out a scale and make sure that it's the same amount of grams that it says on the packaging. But I don't have time for all that. So go ahead and portion off your popcorn into 7 equal servings. And they do have other flavors that are so yummy. And there you go. There's another quick and easy, healthy snack. Moving right along. Y'all know about the cookies and cream milkshake. Oh, that is my favorite, but it's not so good for me to enjoy all the time. So I have found the best alternative. It is the Yasso cookies and cream Greek yogurt bars. Y'all, when I tell you these are so good, oh my goodness. And the best part is they're only 100 calories and 5 grams of protein. So when you're wanting a little dessert or even a snack, I won't tell anyone, go ahead and grab one of these and you'll be glad you did it. Okay, well, that's all I have for you today. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed any of these snacks. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Thanks. We'll talk soon. Bye.